Hello, you are welcome. Go back to my channel. This video will guide for you the way we are automatic posting to groups on Facebook. Use this software. Give it to me. This is a software that helps so you can manage it multiple Facebook accounts. Then we'll install it. The features, post or comment. Then now we're going to click Part Viral Marketing. We'll click on the section Group Meeting Posting. First post group meeting. Then we need to prepare ready the content that I want to post. I wrote it on the software. Then I will stay this content to post. Select the content to post. Then we will install it. I want to post into some group. For example, I have one already. UID list here. I copied this list. Next I will switch back. About that software. Let me paste into this part. In this it is somewhat. Post by ID group. Then we'll click here. Put the group list up. If any of you, without a group, it is possible. See more of these, the group scanning software, of my side, and find your own team. Unpacking after that can be installed. How to post content. I want to post the group number. And what groups are they posting? Then we'll set the parameters. For example, here, that is the number of simultaneous runs. That's the account number running at the same time. The second one is, we can install it for each account. How many groups are posted? I let this be 10 groups for example. Then it will be the ones that install conditions. Transfer account. And outside the, we can also be, to be at the time of posting. We leave time to post. 20 seconds, 30 seconds, for example. Then you guys can be installed. The buttons, like posting not the same group, not identical article, then automatic, to join groups. Time waiting for photo. Then we can completely installed here. In here it will also, there is a post. You can comment when it's done. That's it, guys. If you want to run, guys, you can run. After the installation is completed, then I will choose the list of accounts that I want to post. I will run, and you can follow. And this is one of them. The software, support for work, access to customers. Facebook is very big. You do the work. Like posting, comment, or texting, share the article, fully automatic. If you are interested in the software, please text via part of my bio. Thank you very much.